MIARIO ya President William RUTO ya gukirira acirithania mwene gwikuruhania na ungumania no ithiete na mbere na kunyitwo mbaru oro undu umwe na kureganwo nayo guothe bururi-ini. Ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu itongoretio ni Linda Jamii na bunge la mwananchi ni morite mutongoria wa bururi ahe ruhonge rwa magoti gitio na gwete acirithania aria marekuruhania na ungumania.
We have credible evidence at Linda Jamii that the executive, being unable to deliver their mandate, are now involved in diversionary tactics of keeping Kenyans busy with issues that cannot put bread on the table, cannot take their children to school, and cannot be able to pay their health bills.
Moigete MIARIO ya President ninge ni kionereria giake gia kwenda kunyita ruhonge rwa magoti migwate.
The President's statement can only be interpreted as attempt to directly control how judiciary dispenses its mandate. We therefore ask Parliament not to fall for any attempt that might slide our country into lawlessness state.
Ikundi ici ningi ni ciuritio utongoria wa Kenya kwanza kwiyeheria utongoria-ini angikorwo ni maremereirwo ni kuhingiria a Kenya ciiraniro iria meraniire hindi ya campaign.
If Kenya Kwanza has discovered that they are unable to deliver the promises they made to Kenyans within the existing law, they should resign and let those who can demonstrate them that they can be able to deliver to the Kenyan people promises within the law take over and give the Kenyans all the services they deserve.
Niguo kugitira ruhonge rwa igoti, ikundi ici ni cirutite mukana wa KURURUNGANA KIUMIA giukite kuhinyiriria president ateyanirie miario yake.
Calling on the president to renounce, to retract those statements. Otherwise, we will, as civil society, will mobilize other sectors of the society so that we can demonstrate massively starting next week against the president. In fact, it can even culminate to initiation of impeachment proceedings against the president.
I want to urge the civil society, the religious organizations, the business community, and all Kenyans of goodwill to come together and do public protest in their social media by posting these words: respect for judicial independence is non-negotiable.
Na rejera ya kuhukia ungumania magoti-ini, ikundi ici ni ciuritie president athurure kamiti ya mwanya ya guthuthuria ungumania magoti-ini.
While we agree with the executive that judicial impunity shouldn't cripple government's agenda, we also believe in following the due process in identifying the so-called rogue judges through a commission of inquiry, as opposed to making political statements and threats in funerals and public barazas.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.